There are some people who live in a dream world.
And there are some who face reality.
There are those who turn one into the other.
And that's what we do at work.
Making dreams a reality is every event manager's job.
We welcome you to this online course on event management and planning.
I, Meher Sarid, India's first wedding event planner, along with my protege, Ria Malwai, will be deep diving into event management and planning to ensure that once you complete this course, you are either equipped to set up your own company or join any leading event management company in India or abroad.
Not only will you get an overview of the event industry and the skill sets you need to be successful, but you will also learn about various types of events, both social and corporate.
We will teach you how to promote events, manage event logistics, as well as managing your clients.
Learn all about budgets and the art of negotiations, making events a win-win for both you and your clients.
So enjoy this ride into the stressful yet extremely rewarding and satisfying world of event management.